Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the location in the Widgetsmith application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the manage locations button. And here you can add your current location by tapping the button. But you can also click on the the edit location button and just type where you are and just edit it that way. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.